Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to Vortex channel. So this time I want to share you the new brand that just came into 1/64 scale, the CM model. So this brand is actually out of China, and they've chosen the very first model to be Evo 9, and I'm told that this is actually a license. They do have an official license from Mitsubishi. Okay, so that's what it says underneath. Okay, so CM model. So they first came out with two variants immediately. One with the low wing with the black carbon fiber effect on the top and also on the hood. Okay, and the other one would be full red with the high spoiler. Okay, let's go straight to it. So this one has the CM model is kind of choose to go down a different packaging route. They've chosen to go using this kind of box, which is actually similar to the older Kyosho models. Okay, personally I kind of still prefer the Ino tarmac sleeve kind of packaging. I kind of feel that feels, I quite like to take it in and out of the box, so that of course feels easier. So this one is actually very close to Aero 404, surprisingly. So Aero 404 is actually the alternative to the Vortex racing body kit for Evo 9. So Vortex has already been Aero 404 has already been doing it for some time now, in the resin material. So CM model has came into the market by doing this model in die-cast. Okay, so the packaging, mine somehow there's one or two that it's kind of folded, because when it's being transported in a very tight box, so that kind of happens. Okay, so this is a collection model, not suitable for children under 14, in various other languages as well. 1/64 scale, made in China, licensed by Mitsubishi. So we'll go straight to the car. Okay, let's just take it out of the packing. So it comes with the acrylic display case. Okay, and we have two spare parts that came with it. Okay, I'll just call it spare parts. We'll come to that a little later. Alright, so it comes with a display case with the black base with one screw. So the display case is actually locked on, and I'll just try to remove it now. Yeah, I've always have trouble removing this kind of base. This kind of display. Okay, so this is the black one, and so actually this comes with the logo. I think it's a water slide, if I'm not mistaken. It's supposed to come with the Mitsubishi logo. Okay, can you see it? Yep, the metallic Mitsubishi logo. That is supposed to go on the front. Okay, and also on the back. Alright, and then this one, initially I thought, how come it's just plain white? You don't see anything, but if you look closer, let's see if I can show you on camera, or even under the light. No, not really. So actually underneath here, right, I'll just let it turn a little bit, and maybe you can see a bit of reflection. So what goes on here, right, is actually the Vortex logo. Alright, so this logos actually go all around the car, and you can Google it up. It's supposed to go on the back wing and on the front front diffuser. So yeah, okay. But this one, from the looks of it, I assume you gotta cut it out, and they're kind of placed quite close to each other, so that could be a challenge to actually install these. Alright, so I'll just leave this aside, and then it also comes with extra windscreen wipers. Okay, So there are two for the front and one for the back. Okay, so I'm told, yeah, you can see a little hole there. So that's where the windscreen wipers are supposed to go. You see on the back, there's another hole there. Yep. Okay, so that's where all the windscreen wipers are supposed to go on. On the first look, I would say it really looks quite decent for its price range compared to the Aero 404, and even compared to the other brand that has done Evo 9, the MC64. I think that has a rally art body kit, while this one has a Voltex, so it's something different. I think if you're an Evo 9 collector, if you're an Evo fan collector, I think they are basically not the same. So that's why I would think that they are all kind of worth to have. Okay, so the carbon fiber sticker on it, it's actually done really very nicely. Yep, it's actually a sticker, but I still do like that you can still see some of the details on the bonnet. All right, all the engine cooling and also the aerodynamics on it from the Vortex racing kit. Okay, so I'm gonna take this out of the base and we'll take a closer look at it. Okay, so this one, yep, it has some details underneath as well. They did not leave that behind, so it's screwed on. So if you feel there's a need to change the wheels and you can find suitable wheels, you can actually do that. And this actually do come with the brake disc, and yeah, I see you can roll the wheels nicely and the brake disc doesn't move. That's very nice. So this is actually in a solid red paint. Alright, so one of the features that I really like from CM model is the way the lights are being done. I kind of feel that is pretty close to the real thing compared to any of the other brands have done so far. And I really like the tail lights. That to me is done proper. Okay, they have not left the muffler behind as well. They have added the silver trimming on it. That's very nice. Okay, you can see some of the side details. They have also painted it in rather than just leave it out plain red. That is actually very nice. So the back spoiler is plastic. It does look quite good. Okay, all right. So that's one of the first variant. Okay, I'll just put that aside. We'll go to the full red variant. Okay, this one is with the high spoiler, the high wing behind. So same, the packaging wise, yeah, the back is actually different. It actually shows the two different variants. Okay, one with the high wing and the other one with the lower wing. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it right at the back there, and we're gonna take a look at this one. Hold on, stay with me. Okay, so same thing. This one came with the accessories. Okay, windscreen wipers, the logo. Okay, all there. I'm gonna put it at the back. Okay, this one comes with the exact same casing, which I always have trouble with. Try and open it. It's always a struggle. Here we go. Damn it. Okay. So same thing. This one has the name of the car written on the base. It's on a black base with a single screw. Yeah, we'll go straight to it. I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna take a closer look at it immediately. All right. So, okay. All right. There we go. There. I really like the details in front. I think the radiator the intercooler. I think that's a separate piece. It doesn't look like... Yeah, it does look really good that they have done that detail as well. Rather than, coloring everything in black, I like the grille. It's not just a flat piece of metal there. It has all the mesh. Same thing underneath there. This little detail of aerodynamics right in front on the front bumper, that's very nicely done as well. So again, this is on a solid red. It's pretty much the same red. Okay, however, this one has the high spoiler. Okay, there you go. Does look quite nice. So this is actually die cast, yeah, not resin. Hence, the price is, I think, less than half of the Aero 404. Nice. Nice. So interior wise, I do see some details at the back. That's quite good. There's bucket seats in front. It's all in black, so I don't see any major details in there, but there's definitely the aircon vent, some dashboard details a little bit here and there. The steering wheel, you can see it's a from where I can see, it's a proper steering wheel, not just a plastic dish. So to me, that's good enough for this scale at this price. Okay. However, the party piece for this CM models is actually the fact that they can freaking roll. Yeah, and very nicely, and they can roll really very nicely. So for you guys who want your cars that is able to roll, yeah, this CM model will be the one for you, because there's so many 1/64 scale models out there that so far what they have done, they don't roll at all, or they have to compromise between looks and being able to roll. So however, CM model has actually struck a balance right in the middle. I've already put some photos up on my Instagram and also my Facebook. They do look really good, and plus point, you can roll. Yeah. It doesn't feel like the ground clearance is very high, because that's the tendency of a lot of cars in this scale. When they try to make it to be able to roll, like for example Majorate, then the whole car will actually be sort of lifted up, and the ground clearance will be quite high, but not for CM model. They have done it really very well. And the other detail that I really like is, having these two variants, apart from the rear wing, the wheels are different. So the black one, you have the, I think it's safe to call it the TE37, okay? And on the full red, I think that's a 10-spoke. And you can see the disc brakes inside. So that is actually very, very nice. Very, very well done. So, so far, I think both has been equally popular. However, me personally, I kind of prefer in the lower. I kind of prefer the low wing variant. I think that looks kind of a little bit, yeah, to my preference. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comment section below. All right. So that's all for it for this round. So thank you very much for watching. I have already uploaded the close-up photos of these two models on my Instagram. Remember to follow me there, virtutoys.mj. Remember to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button so you don't miss on any of my diecast videos. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Bye.